In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Starling Business Online as of 25. Keep in mind that Starling Bank doesn't offer a standalone business credit card, but they do provide a business current account with features designed to support your business expenses. Let's get started by heading over to the Starling Business page on their website. It's your first stop to initiating this process. Once you're there, ensure you understand whether you meet the eligibility criteria. Starling requires applicants to be UK registered entities, such as limited companies, LLPs, or sole traders. It's important that the persons with significant control, or PSCs for short, are UK residents. Make sure to note that certain industries, such as gambling, cryptocurrency, and adult content, are not supported by Starling. Now that eligibility is checked, it's time to start your application. Look for that Apply Now button. It's usually prominent on the site to guide you to the application form. Once you've clicked on it, you're required to fill in specific business details. This includes your company name, registration number, and address. So it's wise to have these details handy to ensure a smooth application process. After filling in your business details, the next part involves uploading identification documents. All owners need to provide personal ID, and depending on the details you've submitted, proof of address might be required as well. Ensuring you have these documents prepared in advance can save you a lot of time and potential frustration. Once you've got your documents uploaded, it's crucial to review all the information you have entered. It might seem tedious, but double-checking ensures there are no errors that could delay your application. When you're satisfied everything is accurate, it's time to hit the Submit button on your application. After submission, Starling will handle the review process and notify you regarding the approval status. Typically, they aim to communicate the result via your preferred contact method, so stay alert for any notifications. That's essentially the journey to securing a business account with Starling. Although it's not a traditional credit card, this business current account can provide you with the flexibility and tools necessary to manage your business finances efficiently. Remember that accuracy and preparedness can significantly reduce any potential hurdles along the way. I hope this guide provides you with the clarity you need to navigate this application process effectively. Feel free to reach out with any questions or share your experiences in the comments below. Good luck with your application and thank you for tuning in.